vacation, all I ever wanted. Vacation, happy to get away. Vacation, well, hey, everybody. I know we really should be on vacation and we're not, so I thought I'd kick us off with a little fun week. The actual name of that song is Vacation. It's a very old song, and maybe some of your parents have heard it before. So, here on April Vacation Week, we are skipping out and getting rid of it so that we can enjoy our summer a little bit earlier. Hopefully, we will be in school a little bit before summer vacation. So, I wanted to give you all a heads up. I'm keeping it short and sweet this week. Thank you for tuning in during April Vacation Week. There's just a few things for you to do. We're going to continue on with our measures of center, like mean, median, and mode we've been working with. And then we're going to have a little competition between mean versus median, figuring things out this week. Do a little IXL. And please do the extensions. The games are so fun. Play 24. Please play 24. I think I might incorporate a little bonusy thing if you play 24 and tell me about your experience because I really like it. I just want you to play 24. Okay? So I'm missing all of you. Hope all is well. And let's see. Can we send it off with a little vacation? Signing off. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Zoom Tuesday through Friday at 10 a.m. with Mr. Allen. Miss you guys.